Hi, this is Kat with Beadaholique, and here's another quick tip. So I've been working with some 6/0 seed beads on my Jewel Loom, and the big thing to note here is how to set up the Jewel Loom. So if you look here at the very edge, what we have is we have these beautiful little grooves right here, and normally we would use each single groove for an 11/0 bead, but you can see those purple threads there. So what I've done is I've skipped over one groove for each of my threads, and what that has done is set up my threads in a really nice even way to make sure that those rows are going to sit beautifully, so there's not a lot of pinching or anything happening there. Now I will say that you can use the same type of technique to work with 8/0 seed beads as well, so that is an option for you too. Again, if you wanted to use this for larger beads, let's say you wanted to do 2 6/0s on the side and then you wanted to put a big focal in the center, what you could do is you could actually skip over a couple extras. So the Jewel Loom is really great if you are working with multiple size beads. It will help set up your Jewel Loom beautifully so that you don't have any issues. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip. You can find even more by heading over to Beadaholique.com, and if you're new to our YouTube channel here, be sure to hit that subscribe button below to get all the latest from Beadaholique.